What TV? One on it.
Ablade abi odehe abi mi penye mi hanye fe nye bakema nye nyeke hiemo hundron ke waguna nye ba ya bona ni achawi na akoko achreku mwenne blema dede aboyo ni keji onami pe boli ake o kwa gasaji ye wo TV no ni keji na kampe hu e boli ake be ni kasemo hi egbele mo ke no kwamo no pi jino ni nkeba hambo ye television ne no iha no ona blema ni bi ne ngmengme bo ni sa ke bo ya no ya lo no kase no ko na ehi ihabo na agbene ho ni bi hu ni ya na ye mam ni sa ko le hu ko ba ja hesani shimon me ko mani mo wo mle blue tint natural honey nke bo he wo moden ake o ka me ba ye jira onu e ya ke bia ne ati di hela ka ote no ba aka ba check your sugar ka check your sugar hu pe ba ko na diabetes ka ko na diabetes be ke ni pi yin bia ne malaria po aka obo ake osikli hu fa yo lami wa shimon kama kanfo no ko mahabo ni ba ye ne ba oba na ake oye ni ngomo ye mi shimon je sukli uyo be honey ni ke honey won be blue tint natural honey no jen makanfo mahabo am ye short ekomi ne hu no he wo oye variety to choose from fe ko ke ngomo ni fe ko ke mi hiwale ekoji dawadawa ekoji prekese ekoji mossy flower ekoji black plump fe ko no oba he wo fe wo liake adrawa ife adrawa ya lo ba fe ba ekemi hiwale ne ke hin no bana ka je honey mi wo je no oyi honey pe shi oyi honey ni hambo pa mi hiwale le hu 0244438427 0244438427 ko gbina gbeno na hiwale no cho party o che yala o fe adoring o fe graduation no fe no fe no ta na document le ihambo allo o ye subjects ko no ta no fe full blown documentary international standard be smart time media consult ni oche wo hash photography ele hu ke amesheje meneke pe oba na ke yes try 0500161770 0500161770 ameke ba yele ojogban ni eba fe for when ya wo telekomi nke bo ake game ye chose mo ibaba o achon wo ke no komo no achose wo ke samai achose wo ka kwase nwie mo na sa abuwa be ke chose wo shi ye fem ni no ni won na kokwe atreku na waji gasamai na kechose gasamai kejejeje sa kebashi mene akanya kenchose ni keji okechose obi yo ba na ko bi ye shi adwemo ni shi adwemo ba na baba o ni ameba le ni ne hu e ba wa amewolomi ni kase mo hupo e yake wo gasamai it is full of education. Brace yourself while I take you through a few of them. I know you have seen a lot of symbols, the Edinkra symbols from the Akan region, the Voltairean who also have their symbols, which is very good. You need to learn all the symbols because even the ones coming from the Asantis, the Akan, also speak volume, especially the ones also coming from the Voltaireans. That also educates us a lot. In fact, symbols around us are a system through which our forefathers educated us. And they wanted to leave these things imprinted on our hearts. They made it into arts so that anytime you see that craft, you know you are being reminded of something. And that is the most important part of education, leaving an imprint in somebody's memory or the person's heart. The thing can resonate with the person, remind the person of what the person needs to do or has been taught. And my favorite part of education in the Ga community is with our symbols. Therefore, Ngewaboti symbols say me. So you can appreciate the Ga way of teaching and appreciate our symbols more. If you see my dressing, and it is coming from the now Okale Adiagba Foundation. I mean, when it comes to symbols, said they are the best. I mean, they are the experts of it all. I make a few mama, I can feel atade, I can feel the BP dukupo aye gasamai hedukui ni. I mean, it's on sale. It will care they'll be able to sort you out. Even for now, even if you order, you tell them where you are going, they can tailor it to a custom-made mama atade alonoko haboni you can appreciate. That is the now currently Adiagba Foundation. But let us go on to the Samai. Kokwe in Samai neni kanchichine. Actually, watchofi. Ni watchofi ye obanake ye mean ni po kanjeme. That is exposure. Ni blame bi ane po denchanya akabowi onike owie no kabake back obaho watchofi. Ka ke ba ko obaho watchofi pebe ne choake keji call your child owner. It go open. And I go back your nyash don't open. Nicho ake opo he mama ni nojoni gamenta wo lole ake no fe no ko no ba fe ye ko male hu e ke ko yo twa wo ke ko yo twa na be ni egbeli o plate na kan ke bo hu be she bo wo twa fie e ba chon na ba na be no jemeta mo aha e wo no wi o no ogbe oda api ni kai mu ake obaho owo trophy nino when I am going to talk to you about Ga Samai. That is what we call it Samai. Symbol in Ga is Samai, and there are quite a few I will share with you. And when I share with you also, I'm not just going to show you the symbol, it will just you see it, but I'm going to actually tell you the meaning of the symbol. Okay, on what it really stands for. So let's go right in. Aya Samai kweni wocho lake alaka nyongo ashade ba aka kashi ye ntwa nyame ntro medelakpa aigbe no eyemu we ka wo ka no hu baba shili ake amale akalaka nyumo onye no laka Yehovah kokoko moni na no fe no so God is all knowing, don't you think you are there are a lot of people that go to church and they are always making pledges. They are always and you're always giving pledge to people. You think you are lying to them. You are lying to yourself, because when you give somebody your word and you are unable to honor your word, then you don't have any dignity, because your word is actually supposed to be your bond. Ewo akewake alaka nyongo bona fe no liake kojo liake ogboda o mukoshi ni owia wo koyo kekemni be o laka ohe, because at the end of the day it is going to go against you. It is your dignity you are playing with. Your word should be your bond. So even in business, kadana you are telling people things you are unable to do, you lose your respect and status as a good business person. Well, that is one of the symbols I would like us to look at. Agbenele hu was symbol ekole hu ke aspatre ne annually ake Portuguese wie mu ni chanke aspartos njo. I don't know, I've forgotten, but when I remember I'll let you know. But then it is a Portuguese word that was corrupted into a Ga word, aspatre, and anybody saying aspatre, then we know we are talking about tokota, and your foot goes with your slippers. In other words, it is friendship. Aspatre is friendship. Okay, more 5 and 6. It is also talking about commitment, because all the time the thing is close to you. Ewo ke onape, then you know ake bonwie na kind noko. Agbenele hu ayako hu na chole akpopolonto. Akpopolonto eke mayale bleu. Shima sheke ene imanya ko wie mo na okan le osamanya iba ke baka popolonto ke ihie bleu shima sheke. This life is not a rush. Our forefathers always wanted to remind us that we are in competition with nobody but ourselves. We do not have to please anybody but ourselves. We don't have to rush in life because somebody is ahead. Just because mokwete shibuyi wo ohie foi gears ne chakiole bonne chakiole ko kwe o crash landi no hewo. Go according to your pace. The most important thing, Jackie, no ke for ohi obashe jenke. Kwe ke jito ke akpopolonto opongo onufu kolo efe kotolai ni akepri ajofoye. Ayemeni jofo efe nini. Ayemeni primno amete. Ayemeni mehiele fio na ayemeni amenole ekome enyo ete shiboni abagbena woni shefe sinju ese second ju wo fen wo ba sheken no hewo akpopoloto ke leye hoya enyeku eke bleu nekeno ebashe amagbaboko saneko akebeko akpopolonto ko pongo yafoeji akrashin na planeke no keke no pongo li akele wo ofo efenene wo ehiele teton enyefo ya hu na ekwa ese ka ekwa poporoto ba na egbon mu eke ekwa moni mene hu ni ke eke mi ba adwufo ye eti ahu eke na amata bi enepo ni ma wo fio kan wo ni ntehie ke ncha na aka poporoto kan wo po ni je chele mi pole nche enye ihe wu kokoko keke no pongo ta choko shishieta na ekashi na ewo ekaje neke no apoporoto ke ekomi enyo ete ekome enyo ete ekome enyo ete neke no de ke baho be no pongo gbelu ehime jena ewo apoporoto shako bi elololo be na ewo fu ene ya akọ ihe na agbe ona ye apoporoto iseje me eke fu eshiko me ho neke no apoporoto na nekomi ene ewe line na ese swe fu eji ehun ko wo line ehe oye apoporoto ke ekome enyo ete sheke ho opongo he omijishi moko hu ke okoju afwe fo pongo gbe na no hewo ene mefe akachose wo ake woke moko aka pele noko hie mo gbe no ni bofen bo ni jin o ba ase o na agbehe ke noji apo plonto eko hu na ake wo ji hengmese abajana ko ba ona aka keshi ingane ihengmese choi krani imbi yone a country natamo ihengmese choi no chom yake blofoke the word there lenche blofoke the iris it is preciousness. It tells you how precious you are keji akebwake otamo hengmese choi but it is defining your preciousness, your worth. Ata ona care wake gama be you have self-worth. Be self-wealthy. Value yourself. Na jibo, ni jibo. Odehe ablade. Hani ohe ahiabo. You are worthy. Kan hani mokokra kebwa keni bo ganyo. Me ganyo hu. Gadangbe. You are worthy and too precious. Ofata heko no hewo all the time. Ahana yourself because you are worth it. No jinoni akechonse wani no hewo efe no baje no ba na hengmese symbole ba na ke agama bi we are too worthy. Ke o mami kwebo na eke ebo ke na hengmese choye wo ke be he hiam mami ne ke ene mefen akechose wo eko hunji atwere akemoni ko chopapa le sapien femo atwere ke hamoko jeina yo ne echomoko nu ni moko ke sho ko omoko hia echomoko nu ni moko ke hwere amagbabosani mi injeno mo fe mo hwe ni ma fangbe ni ma fe neke ni mi huma ya biye ni mi muma ye neke echomoko konno moko wumi kedamo ekonno ni nkete nka na abruchi echomoko no moko hwele kechomoko no hu ni nke balemone baye ne chono chumono shibe no chomoko obo kanu ofe akebebo nkome mfa no jino ni atwere damoshike ha ka fe nkome mfa eshobe hani moko adamo kon no na ekeye hi kanu balaka onyemi ya no bo ogle ise ejake boji mo no kelete mo hi eni mo han le contact eni mo han le nuchu mo ni chombi eni jebi dabi game akewoji atwere damoshi hani moko akobo ni bu eke nani yake bu ba akobo no ke ba ya shon no hewo atwere no jino ni edamoshi ke ha agbenele huwe awa han we ko huwe ake abui ona abui bibi o akepo gbamo agbo abui edai shimu abayan kakadampu ebakpe ke anagbe. It is the support. Be a support to somebody, just like Acheri. Come on, honey, ona wiemo aya ni eya kami moko yafo ani oni femu ahamoko minshe kane ya balake bebuo no odo a hu ka ke pa chon mi mpo echon gama bi ene meji ekumi na ke chosiwo gama sama ele baba o ba kasele fio it was this edition ele wo here le saman edition bomoden akobata wo saman ko ni ngona o ke fi atade to be ni nken no fi atade exposure mo fe mo ni ba fe no fon wo ba expose le wo ba ha ni ko yo atwa na ewu ochofie no he wo bo hunta wo ni ngona ya comment section emi gasaman ti no ni ngona wa ko na chomo mi eshishi ko chomo mi eshishi ko no ke form sentence makwe chomo mi he ni edamo ye sentence emi ko ni wona akelele o kase no ko ka worry ko fe mistake hu na akoko achireku wo ba correct wo habu eke wo ken kase no mbe ko ken ya chimene wo kase ni bp keje saman he ni chomo mi ake saman ye they are not just fashionable. Because Ghana symbols are very creative, very fashionable. Nike okefe anything at all. Nyese ne wana wanyimi yo ekome ni university ye polytechnic ni eke gasaman efe mama batik. It was so beautiful. Ekome po aken pekpe school bags keni bi. It is about time we ba use for craft tech ba fe ni bi. Let me tell you, there are 1,001 gasaman ni wanyimi no yo ekome ni ji wo chair ni leji mo na eten wo coat of arms say enya ebinu le hu ekewojin akome eba ni eten fa bi ni ololo ni you amazing ye hinke wa ke achose wo ke akwase nwie mu aka achose wo ke abebu na achose wo ke nokwamo no na sa achose wo ke gasaman but my favorite is the saman. Do you know why? Ejake ye saman mi ona abebuwe yake abebuwe mi na akọ na ke kavi wo saman abeye na abuwo ni aketen saman iwo ko ona saman pe ona abebuwe hu it makes it beautiful. And apart from that, and when you adorn yourself with the designs out of the saman, my God, you just I don't know keji o follow me alo okwe any of the yalafe mom she keji okwe wocheni otublo oba na ke na mi ewo e mama na ewo very serious symbol ni yomi money na kwe ya no yakwe money kenklen ni baba chon mi mama na ebu no ni yomi ke shishi no mama kele 50 Ghana ke ba comment section name makibu 50 Ghana straight either ake momo alo ke ba hambo airtime makibu 50 Ghana ya anu yakwa no ba kemi. I mean the symbol say where a symbol ni represent authority nikeji owo no ba pe alake it is a woman of authority where symbols nikeji owo pe anake odehejibu abladejibo alo anake be lumupotenjibo ni no mehu yejeme obaka se na pi no hewo kan ni ohin pa bi ene no kra ene ye woni nke nya china nwele no wona afi ni ke woka ni kase mo bape ona ko because this symbol is going to be month-long education. Obaka se wo saman baba o ke noni amedamoshike ha ke noni ame represent o keji akeboe no hewo bomoden ni ofata wo he keji ofata ko he ya fata wo ko ya Facebook ya follow wo TV channel ke wo TV page no ko ni ke bi ehun no ko me YouTube ele ho subscribe mo like mo share mo and leave your comments. Shimon wo ba ye jarafio blue tints natural honey amameji me ne mo mi ni mene wo kanu chimo ne haboe no he wo ba ka ewa ka jo ta o sukuli no ko do ba ye chije sukuli ni no ko ni oye ni ona he wale yemli be blue tint natural honey amehu ameye ekome ne hu ni fe ba ka do awa mi he wale jenji no he ni wo biye ya somo ni amewona kan honey ihabo no he wo ona he wale yemi ojogba try me 0244438427 0244438427 no ka make ona me ye wo TV no me ko ba ye jala ojogba ame ha me ni ya fa na me ha wa abambo special discount keji oya ho ni keji oba he no ye ho me ko ba gbasa ne he kemola ke na akokwe achreku ni kebo ake ohe na kan no keji ota ni abasha o wedding or funeral ota ni abafe opeje mo I mean anything ni ota na document ni allow subject po no ota na afe documentary dey nche ye here then look no further. Smart Eye Media Consult #photographic wo waji meni wo chon na kan ni chumo ne call twa 0500161770 e ba ye ebu abojugba ya ke wo ba hambo good rate with a touch of innovative media solution. No jino ni wo fi oye bi eni. Wo he bo shika bibio ni wo ba fi kwame ni wo hambo. Wo ba ye bo no ko fi o shino ni wo ba fi wo ba bi ake ene na ke hene ha mi elo e wo bomode ni oke wo aye jara na kan no ho wo ke wo program here mba e wo mboa na wo mboa wo lo wo heke mba ni noji ake meni jino ni gba o na o ye saneni ni yotri onye okemoko agba hisani efebo hingbele alo ahunto o te wa wo nga ye hi bomode contact mommy yem private Facebook account no dinye mommy ni okemi agba hisani nya ko ba ka mi akebu alo ba cho money jigbe epu ihami gba mi sani ekeke o wa tabie wo ba agba hisani nga wo ni sa wo ke ba hambu keke bu o halami no ni ba ye bu abue keke okachuni keke ona hejole achomi na akokwe atreku blema dede aboyo mi ni yo nuchumo na ehichia mi ni keji okwe ebe gasaje ni femo no jino ni wokebu kwe keji wo se ochie ko kemi akpe wo ba continue the part 2 of gasamai wo ba kase samai ye ameshishi no mo kameshi damo ni woke ba chose wo he ni bohun okechose obi ko na bi bona fe ni gan pa wogbla ejaka ake gadangbe isegbe jigbe obabo wode ake woke dangbe ehu he ni bile hu ba futumi am bona fe ni kabuki kakabute amemi aka fun wo fe na ko meji wo chi amonton na ele no ni makebu page ake oke wo dro wo ba pe ko ikeji wo pe wo ba gba hisani oyiwala don bye bye.
Wo TV. Wo no ne.